Cheers. Oh, both of you took a sip. Okay, now what to do? Cheers. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by again. And from the title, you can see I picked up a pair of sneakers from JD Sports in Dubai. It was the new store's event. It is at Mirdif City Center. And when I went into the store, they told me, you could pick up a pair that you like. And I looked around, there were some amazing Air Maxes. But knowing that the white cement is something that I always wanted but never added to my collection, I saw the chance and I took it. Oh, this t-shirt, by the way, is also from JD Sports. It's this nice vintage wash. I picked up a size L, but I'm thinking I could have probably gone for a medium because it's oversized, yes, but I didn't expect it to be this oversized because I usually wear an L. But yeah, this is an amazing print. Yet another t-shirt that I really fell in love with when I saw it at the store and had to pick it up. Here's a picture of me at the photo booth. You can see I'm wearing the same t-shirt. Well, I just put it on now. It went back in the bag, but yeah, I picked this up at the store. And what else do we have in here? Oh yeah, the gift card from JD, the king of trainers. With that being said, let's get the sneaker out of the bag. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I have content coming out every now and then. And if you like the video, you know what you gotta do. Give it a thumbs up. Alrighty, this is your Jordan 4 box. Just your basic usual black lid with the Jumpman logo and the flight text, and of course your cement print. I went with my true size, which is a US 9, a UK 8, which is the 42.5. Let's lift the lid and get the sneaker out of the box. Just gonna get the one pair out. This is it, the Air Jordan 4 white cements. And why is the tag all over the place? But yeah, you have your regular orange hang tag. And that is the pair in itself. Now, if you watched my earlier videos, like, which one did I mention this? Was it on the Navy SB4 Jordan pair? Or, I can't recollect, but I was being very selective with the pairs I pick up, and I always wanted the white cements because I've never had it in my collection or my rotation, ever. However, since I picked up the SB Jordan 4s in the Navy colorway, just about a month before the white cements came out, I decided, man, I have the military blue 4s and so on, so let me just skip this. But I saw this pair, it was right there in my hand, and I was like, let me just get it. First things first, a point of contention is the upper. The upper is this very, very smooth, stiff kind of leather. It's still genuine leather, but it's not soft. Like, let me compare this with one of the pairs that I picked up recently, which is the Outsole AJ3. So you can see on this pair, right, it's so soft and supple, and just look at that. I know I'm comparing a 3 with the 4, but the leather is just so soft. I really squeezed that like a dumpling. And in comparison, you have this, which is a lot more stiffer. So I would probably compare this to the high 85 cut of leather, like on the Bread 85 cut. You'll see that the leather is quite similar. It is genuine leather. It is a proper thick cut, and you can see that here on the lines right here, how thick of a cut this is. So it should wear pretty well. I'm sure it'll get creased as well, and I think the more it gets creased, the nicer it would look. Obviously, the tooling and the shaping has been changed over to replicate as close as it could to the original pair from '89. I think the last time the white cements came out was 2016. I was in Bangalore then, and I couldn't get my hands on them. And ever since, I've wanted a pair, and I'm just glad that I can get it in the new tooling and shape. Otherwise, everything else as standard with Air Jordan 4. You have your lace crown eyelets right here, the wings with the cement splatter. On the back, that beautiful, beautiful Nike Air. Again, you have that cement splatter right there. And if you look closely, you can see that even on the Nike Air, you can see some bits of the splatter. Same thing carries over to your midsole. A nice white midsole done right there. And you can see your Air unit encapsulated in gray. Going on to the outsole, bam, the same traditional, beautiful Air Jordan 4 outsole. What else do we have? Like synonymous with any other Air Jordan 4, you flip the tongue over and you have the Air Jordan text done right there on the patch, and your black insole with the Nike Air branding, white leather sole, flight patch. You know, the regular, the usual. Now that I think about it, I've not smelled it. Man, nothing beats the smell of a fresh pair of Air Jordan 1s though. Well, I think I've covered the basics. You obviously have your sock liner done in white, whereas the back of the tongue, that's done in black. That's going to be a little conflicting because I usually try to match my socks to the sock liner. So if it's white, I would wear white, but then it would leave all of those, you know, those thingies, those small cotton balls on the black part of the tongue. But hey, that shouldn't matter. Summer, nice white sneaker to beat, along with my SB4, which is a white, the pine green, which is white, the military blues, which are white. Oh man, the Soul 3s, I think I have a lot of light colored Jordans. And anyway, I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. All right, so this is the top down view of the pair. Man, the fact that it's beautiful has never been contested. I just didn't think I needed another pair. So yeah, JD Sports, thank you for lacing me with these. And that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. This is a beautiful pair. And just what a time to be alive, right? What a time to be a sneakerhead. You're able to go in a month after release and still pick up a pair that you really like. Just love it. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, stay safe, peace. And of course, shout out to JD Sports for making this happen. I appreciate you.